Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's your boy, Forex Noipi. So guys, today ang ituturo ko sa inyo is how to put indicators on your chart and what are the indicators and what is it usually used for. And at the same time, isi-share ko din kung ano yung mga ginagamit kong indicators that helps me with my Forex trading. So, let's start. So, ang ginagamit ko na platform is the tradingview.com. Dito lang ako naghahanap ng trading setup ko. Pero, nag-execute ako ng trade dun sa account ko which is in MT4. Okay? Or MetaTrader 4. Unang-una sa lahat guys, yung mga indicators na meron tayo available ay ginagamit ko siya to satisfy what I call the confluence. Okay? Ano ba yung Confluence, Forex Noipi? Ang Confluence po ay pinagsama-samang statement on Forex or movements or strategies, price actions na pag nasatisfy mo siya or nasatisfy siya ng trade setup na nakikita mo sa harapan mo, it will most likely better the chance of you winning a trade. Okay? It depends on the type of trader that you are. Okay? Later on, pag-uusapan din natin yon. Pero ngayon, let's talk about the indicators that I use. Okay? So dito, this is a blank chart. And the trade setup that I am going to show you is from GBP/USD, Great Britain Pound versus US dollar. Previously, we were on the daily chart. Ito. Ayan siya sa daily chart. Pero ngayon, punta tayo sa 4-hour chart. So, ang unang indicator na papakita ko sa inyo is yung ginagamit ko on my trade setup, which is the Exponential Moving Average. Okay? Paano pumunta doon sa Trading View? Punta lang po kayo dito sa Indicators and Strategies, up top. Tapos i-type nyo lang Moving at makikita nyo na Moving Average Exponential. Pag kinlik nyo ng isa yan, lalabas na siya doon. Right? Naka-default to 9 EMA. Okay? Forex na IP, ano po ba yung EMA? EMA stands for Exponential Moving Average. Tapos yung number dyan means the average of the bars and the prices of the bars that is visible on the time frame of the chart you're using. Okay? Ako, ang gusto ko is, ang ginagamit ko is usually the 200 EMA. So, gusto ko yung average of 200 bars kasi ako po yung klase ng trader that I bank usually on trend. Hindi ko po sinasabi na yun ang pinaka-best na strategy sa lahat. It will really depend on the type of trader that you are. Ako, trend trader ako kasi I find it, my statistics on trend trading looks to be better than other types of trading methodologies. Okay? So, apart from this indicator, ang ginagamit ko rin is yung tinatawag na stochastic or RSI. So, dito, sa indicators ulit, type ko lang STO, stochastic, and makikita ko na siya, stochastic RSI. Right? Pag kinlik ko yan, close ko lang ulit to, lalabas na to sa ilalim. Okay? Ang ibig sabihin naman nitong indicator na to guys is these lines, kung nasaan siya, indicates if the price is oversold or overbought. Pag yung nasa taas, makikita nyo itong parang kulay purple na to, if the price goes above it, it's an indicator that tells you that the price is overbought. Okay? It's overbought. Pag nasa ilalim, oversold. Kasi buy tayo pataas, sell tayo pababa. Right? Ngayon, anong kinalaman nito sa trading strategy ko? Again, because I'm a trend trader and earlier, I mentioned that I base my trading strategy on a specific confluence. Okay? Ang confluence ay yung mga bagay na gusto mong tingnan, dapat nag-agree ngayon yung mga bagay na yon Parang yung kasabihan na the stars are aligned. Pag nag-align na yung mga nakikita mo, depende sa chart mo at sa trade setup mo, means you have a confluence. So, share ko sa inyo yung isang napakasimpleng trade setup na I usually bank on using these two indicators. Gumagamit din ako ng mga drawing materials dito sa trade sa chart na to to be able to satisfy my trades. Okay? Okay, so unang-una sa lahat, identify muna tayo ng trend. Paano ba nalalaman kung nagte-trend ang isang price or hindi? Right? So, simple lang po. Makikita mo siya, syempre, kung yung price action is bumababa or tumataas. Okay? Sa chart na to, this is the 4-hour chart. Right? Makikita nyo, the price is here. So, papaano ngayon? Ano, is the trade or is the chart price trending upwards or is it trending downwards? Right? Visually, makikita mo naman that it's trading downward. Right? Ayan. Pag ginuhitan ko ng linya, kita mo naman, it's trading or trending downwards. Right? Ayusin lang natin ng konti. Ayan. Right? The other indication if a price is trending downward is we have what we call the lower lows. Okay? Ano po ba yung lower lows? Ito po yun. So, makikita nyo, itong price natin, right? This is going down. Baguhin lang natin yung kulay ng konti para may indication tayo. Gawin nating purple. Yes. Becky. Alright. Tapos, kita natin, the price went down and the price moved up. After that, the price again went down. After that, the price again went up. And after that, the price again went went down. Yan. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Okay. So, to identify if the trend is moving down, makakakita kayo ng lower lows, akong tawagin. Ano ba yung lower low? Ibig sabihin nun, the price had structured here, right there, binilyugan ko, yan. Ngayon lang natin yung kulay. Ayan, naka-purple siya. Gawin nating black. Ayan. So, the price went lower here than the previous low. Kaya siya tinawag na lower low. Yan. Yung dalawang point na yan is what we call the lower lows. Right? Meron pang isa. Ito. Oops. Yari. Ayan. So now your price, you can see that the price developed, it bounced down here. It went up at bumagsak ulit siya lower than the previous low. Tumaas siya, tapos yung price bumagsak ulit lower this time than the previous low. Right? So ngayon, tinawag siya na trend kasi nakita nyo, tumaas siya. Right? Andito yung price ngayon. What would most likely happen? What would most likely happen? Yes, tama kayo. It would most likely go down. Yan. It would most likely go down again. So, ngayon, this is an example of a trend trading strategy. This is the strategy na mas pinaka-komportable ako. And I would suggest that for the beginners out there that is watching this video is mag-stick muna tayo sa mga simple munang strategies. And then as you move towards your trading career, then you can move and explore other trading strategies that will suit your personality. Okay? Ibabalik ko lang at nawala yung aking stochastic RSI. Okay. So, going back to my Confluence, right? So, ang unang-una kong tinitingnan is dapat may trend. Okay? Dapat may trend. Pangalawa, dapat yung moving average ko, which is 200, if I am planning to do a sell, or if I'm planning to sell, dapat yung moving average ko na 200 EMA is above the price. Lastly, ang tinitingnan ko din is yung stochastic RSI ko is close to being overbought or already overbought. Ibig sabihin nun, medyo marami na tayong nag-buy, so most likely babagsak na yung price. Right? This setup is most likely a trade that I will take. Most likely. So, gawin natin to. Lalagay ko siya dito. I-trade ko siya using my demo account. And then, on the next video, abangan natin. Okay? So, sa ngayon, gawa muna tayo ng sell. Okay. So, itong price na to, pag-aaralan natin yan as we move forward. Pero ngayon, magsisell tayo. Ayan. Let's wait for it. Again, this is just my demo account. And then let's see on our next video kung mag-work siya. Tapos lalagyan ko lang siya ng marker dito that I'm taking a short position or ayan. So, dito, sa dulo nito, this will be my stop loss and dito sa baba will be my take profit. Okay? So, ideally, I'm going to set up my take profit and my stop loss to or closer to the last price structure. Okay? Ituturo ko rin sa inyo on my next videos kung ano ba yung price structure. Pero for now, let's just observe if this trade setup will actually materialize. Balikan natin to on my next video. Alright, so ngayon, nasatisfy na natin yung confluence na sinasabi ko, which is 1, identify if there was a trend by checking if there are lower lows on your price action. The other one from my confluence is my indicator. If my indicator is above the price, it satisfies the agreement na magsisell ako. And then lastly, my stochastic RSI indicator, if it's close to being overbought or already overbought, then it may be in an indicator for me to sell. So that's my confluence. Okay, burahin lang natin tong lahat and my indicators. There. Alright. So, balik tayo sa blank chart. Right? So, naituro ko na kung ano yung indicators at kung ano yung confluence. Okay? Ang isa na lang na gusto kong ituro sa inyo guys, before kayo mag-trade, please make sure that you manage your emotions. We're gonna have a different video around managing your emotions, pero just to give you a gist of it is when trading with real money, especially with your hard-earned money, trading using your emotions is going to make you close your account or deplete your funds. Kaya don't. Okay? Ang suggestion ko is make sure that the confluence setups that you have identified and have agreed on will all agree before you take the trade setup. Especially if you are a trend trader, meron din naman yung mga scalpers natin dyan and we'll talk about more of the trading styles and the types of traders as we move forward in this channel. Okay? Pero sa ngayon, yun lang muna ang gusto kong ituro sa inyo. Once again, if you think that this video is helpful and beneficial to you, please subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo on my next succeeding channels next succeeding videos as we move forward. Once again, this is your boy, Forex Noipy. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat and keep safe. Happy trading. Bye-bye.